guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, then hi, my name is Amy. How are you today? So not to make this a long intro or anything, today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look, and I'm just going to be playing around with my palettes and some colors, and also with these guys, which are my new Morphe brushes. I haven't practiced the look I'm going to do today, of course, you know me, usual fashion of doing stuff the night before. So there's that. I'm not sure if I want to make this a talk through or if I'm going to do voiceovers or none of the above and just have it be like a silent, awkward clip of me just doing my makeup and you just following along. Maybe you're doing a get ready with me too in the morning while you watch my video. I don't know. Also, disclaimer, I'm not an MUA. I'm just a makeup enthusiast. So if you think the makeup look is bad, then I'm sorry. I'm still practicing, I'm still learning. I'm not trying to be like a professional, but I definitely want to be like super good at makeup just because I like playing with makeup. So let's get straight into this. So I decided that I want to do... So I just decided that I'm not going to talk during this video because I'm just a little bit upset right now. I'm just gonna like play music and some sort of uplifting and like nice podcast or something to listen to while I do my makeup, and I'm just gonna like mute the audio in the back once I edit this. But I still hope that you enjoy the content and I still want to give you good content. Put the work in. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. The song came on and I liked this song and it just made me like happy all of a sudden. It made me smile. Not like happy for the moment. And I feel like that's what I want to do on my channel is like, I just want to be that person to other people that I feel like music artists are to me or other YouTubers are to me, that like, whether it's a good day or a bad day or anywhere in between, that like I just look forward to watching their videos because it always like puts me in a good mood and it always makes me feel better. And I hope that one day I can do that. Wow, and I literally just got sad again. Okay, so back to listening to music. Okay, bye. here's the finished look. Let me know if you guys like this look, if you think I'm doing too much for the fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Every single view that I get and every single person who decides to hit subscribe. So if you want to see more videos from me, then please click the subscribe button to be a part of the growing fam. And click the bell notification to be notified every time I upload, and I upload on Mondays and Fridays. Follow me on all my social media. The links will also be in the description box down below. And if you did like this look, then check out some of my other makeup looks. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later!